With my model today, we're going to be doing a lash lift. So she has a decent length to her lashes, but she's been using a serum on them that makes them grow longer. So there are a lot of different serums for lash growth. Latisse kind of was the forerunner on it. They were prescription only and they worked magically. You can get other options now. A lot of people are using Rodin and Field's lash growth serum, or there is Grande lash growth serum, which you can probably buy from a salon or spa. And I've seen really good results with a lash growth serum that is called Lavish Growth Lashes, and it's on Amazon. So if you want to really get the more dramatic flare, then it is always better if the lashes have more length, and whenever you use one of those serums, that's what you get. And here is going to be our model today. She has been using the Grande lash growth. She feels like she's really gotten to, like her lashes look fuller and longer, and she's ready to do a lash lift. So we are going to get her ready, prep the skin, and get started. Let's get started. So first we have to tape down those bottom edges. This is what we're going to be using. We had to kind of size up and find one that would work with Micah's lashes. She has deep set eyes, so they're not a perfect match. Sometimes you have to clip your pad down. So it's important to get the pad on there good, because you are going to then try to shape the lashes onto the pad. I usually use a Q-tip so that I've got a very tiny edge and it's disposable. Then there's several just different serums and sets that you have to put on the lashes. So you kind of just want to get comfortable, lay back and relax. You can chit chat if you want. It is actually pretty soothing. There we go. We're all in fast motion. Let's put a little bit more serum on this one. Oh, we got a little whisker. We had to fix that one. The ones that want to poke out. Now that we've got it all set, she's setting. It looks good. We are not the best camera people ever. And a lash lift is not going to look like you're wearing extensions or falsies. It is going to be your natural lash doing the job. So it's going to have a really natural glam look to it. So if you are somebody who thinks that this is for you, then contact a technician and get in there for a consult and see if your lashes would work well with this lash lifting treatment.